Okay, to install Cozy Audiobook Player, start the terminal. I'm going to type sudo apt install flatpak. Yes. Okay, the next command, flatpak remote dash add dash dash if dash not dash exists. FlatHub hub.org/repo/flatpak-repo. Okay, it gives you that little warning there about the system not seeing Flatpak. So what I had to do was restart my machine. So next step, Flatpak install FlatHub space com dot github dot geigi dot cozy. Yes. And it gave another warning there about the system not being able to see the FlatHub Cozy app until you restart your machine. So after the install, restart your machine. Okay, installation complete. Close the terminal. And then here in File Manager, Home Audiobooks, that's where you want to store everything. I've got 3 downloaded. I'm going to download some more here from archive.org/details/audio_books poetry. So you search through there and click on something you want to download. I'm going to do Adventures of Tom Sawyer. And the only compatible audiobook files I've found for Cozy are the 128 kbps MP3 files. And you just right click on those and select Save Link As and put them all in your home audiobooks folder. I'll add a few more of these. So I've added Tom Sawyer chapters 3 through 8. Okay, check the folder again. All my files are downloaded. So click the Show Applications button, then click Cozy. Okay, click the Author tab, then go over to the Settings button there. Click Scan Directory to make sure everything gets loaded. Now if you click on the book icon, it'll start the audiobook, or if you click outside of it, you'll get the book preview, which shows the individual chapters. So check Tom Sawyer here. You can see outside of it, Open Book Overview, or Play This Book. Open Book Overview shows all the chapters, and you can click any of those to play them. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.